Hi everybody, this is Joseph DJ from Puerto Rico. Right now I'm playing with the DAS Action 15 with my Electro Voice ZA1, and I'm pretty happy with I just bought this subwoofers, and even I'm using two of them with two DAS Action 15, and they sound great. I'm kind of upset because I use it in an open area, and I thought that they was gonna give me a better sound, but I was using it from the mixer through the sub and then the sub to the speaker, and the sound wasn't that great. And now I'm just connecting the subwoofer direct in this channel right here, and they sound excellent. They sound crazy. They I know in the next gig they're gonna give me what I need to. And right now I'm gonna do a sound check with the Afrojack Rock the House, and you're gonna see what this speaker and what this subwoofer do. So here we go. Right now the volume is on 0, but right here in the mixer, where in the controller, this is probably the first line. I don't pretty much know, and you're gonna see what they do. I have my daughter behind the speaker. Say hi, baby. And what I'm gonna do right now, I'm just gonna turn off the speaker, that speaker, so you're gonna see what the Electro Voice ZA1 do. So watch this. Yes, people. What you hear right now, it's just the sub, and she is not clipping. I'm pretty sure that she's not clipping. I'm gonna pass the cell phone to see if I can make you see. Hold on a second. Well, she's in 0 right now. If I put it up, oh, she is not me. Turn on the speaker. What I'm doing right now, what I did was, and I'm using only one of each one. What I did is just I control the bass on the controller. I can go up. That's the speaker, only the speaker. See? But if I go away to 0, What's the light? It's not going even high now. I'm telling you, this is the best thing that I ever do. And like I said, I'm connect the mixer through the sub, and then the sub to the speaker, and it's just giving me everything that I was waiting for. And if you like this video, just click like and subscribe. And I'm gonna make a few more things. I'm gonna show you how I connect 4 powered speakers, and 4 powered sub at the same time, and they sound great. I have 2 Mackie HD 1521, 2 Mackie HD 18 subs. I have 2 DAS 15 Action Series, and I have 2 Electro Voice ZA1 subs. So I'm gonna get it right now, probably next week. The ZA1, the speaker, the loudspeaker, they are 8 inches and they sound pretty well. And the Electro Voice, I'm not pretty sure, but I think they are 12, and they are powered. They throw like 700 watts, and trust me, I'm in love with it. So see you. This is Joseph DJ from Puerto Rico. If you like it, just subscribe and let me know. If you have any question, just I will be answering every single question. So take care and good luck on your gigs.